In fact, I never felt better in all my life. Look what I can do.
Iago!
Why me? All I ever wanted was caviar, manicures, a reclining chair that vibrates. Is that so much to ask?
Genie, quick!
Hey, what's up, guys? Whoa! Iago, trying a new look? The sculpted physique. Kind of a daring fashion statement. Genie DeMilo. Stone, masculine, yet fragile. I wouldn't recommend it.
Ah! The humanity!
What's with him?
Genie, it's a curse. He's turning to stone.
Ooh, this is serious. I've got just the thing.
So you're turning to stone. It is well known that the bite of the rock ifrit will turn a man to stone. Also birds and other living creatures.
I wasn't bitten by a rocky freak.
It is the Ifrit venom which holds the spell.
Up his maw put rockafreet venom in father's bath oils.
Well, you were an expensive purchase, weren't you, Mr. Rocky Freak? Hey! I'm talking to you! Do you think we paid too much for this guy? I hate paying too much!
It is worth any price if we can take Agrabah without confronting the genie.
I do not like this Ifrit. In fact, there is only one person I do not like more than I do not like this Ifrit. Do you know who that person is, Harun?
The genie, sir?
No, you are wrong! For it is the genie! He's always foiling my plans! In fact, I think it is worth any price if we can take Agrabah without confronting the genie.
Oh, you have a very dangerous mind, sir. I'm glad I'm on your side.
There's no cure for Ifrit venom. I'm done for. Poor little me.
You're not done for. We'll find some way to save you.
How?
And amsa-bibbity, pinch-a-bobbity, and a lot of boot.
What's that stuff do?
It'll cure you.
It's asperglycerin.
Okay, drip away.